Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Safana Grafasabil. I am from class 8D with attendance number 32. And this occasion, I will review the film Pemandi Jenazah. This film was directed by Hadrah Dayengrakut. The producer of this film are Tony Ramos, Jody Beni Wicaksono, and Clarissa Niki Dries. The screenplay of this film is Lele Laila. There are several cast, namely Agni Haku, Ibrahim Rishad, and Amara Sophie. The music arranger is Alvin Kalista and Rahadian Winursito. Cinematographer is Arfian. The editor is Wawan Wibowo. The production company of this film is V&S Studio. The release date is 22 February 2024 in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei Darussalam. Then 29 February 2024 in Singapore and 27 June 2024 on Netflix. This film has a duration of 107 minutes. This funeral betting film comes from Indonesia and also uses Indonesian. Here is a trailer for the film Pemandi Jenazah.
Nawaitu dan hasil mayitatin kita.
La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah.
First of all, I will read the synopsis of the film Pemandi Jenazah. Lela was a young woman who worked as a corpse washer alongside her mother. She was familiar with the job as she had always accompanied her mother while performing the ritual. Her mother had always taught and advised Lela that being a corpse washer was a noble profession. However, one night, Lela found her mother had suddenly and mysteriously passed away. Lela's mother died after vomiting blood and convulsing. Her death sparked rumors among the villagers. The neighbors even spread rumors that Lela's mother had died from a curse. Hearing these rumors, Lela could not help but search for clues to answer the various identities, but as she showed clear answers, Lela was instead terrorized by mysterious and dangerous ghosts. There are a few key reasons why people love to talk about this movie. 1. It has a really interesting story. 2. It's pretty scary. 3. It makes you think about deep things. And 4. There are lots of ways to understand what it means. The strengths and weaknesses of this film are strengths. 1. The film successfully creates a thick horror atmosphere, especially by exploring the theme of death and the process of preparing bodies for burial. 2. The authors especially Jenar Maesa Ayu, brought their characters of life very well. 3. The theme of Death presented is quite unique and different from most horror films. 4. The surprise can successfully startled the audience. And 5. The film visually are quite interesting and support the horror atmosphere. And weaknesses. 1. Some parts of the story feel convoluted and unclear. 2. The development of some characters feels less in depth. 3. Too many jump scares can sometimes actually reduce the shock event. And 4. The ending feels rushed and doesn't provide enough satisfaction. Ratings for the film Pemandi Jenazah are quite diverse and depend on each viewer's preference. Some viewers praised the thick horror atmosphere and the convincing acting of the cast, while others felt that the plot was unclear and the ending was unsatisfying. Overall, this film could be good choice for 1. Horror film enthusiasts and 2. Viewers curious about local culture. However, this film might not be suitable for viewers who don't like exams, jump scares, and viewers who want a complex plot. The film Pemandi Jenazah presents a compelling argument against the harmful practice of gossip, demonstrating its potential to cause significant emotional pain. Moreover, the film underscores the profound significance of confidentiality within the context of death and dying, emphasizing the need to treat the deceased and their families with utmost respect. Finally, the movie beautifully captures the emotional complexity of loss, highlighting the ritual of losing a deceased family member was a poignant and meaningful way to say farewell. That's all for me. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.